Every baker should have 3 essential recipes in their arsenal: a perfect cookie, a delicious frosting, and a decadent chocolate cake. Hey everyone, I'm Lauren, and today at the Princess Baker, I'm sharing with you my go-to chocolate recipe for both cake and cupcakes. It's rich, luscious, and will turn anyone into a chocoholic. But it gets even better. On top of being awesome, this cake recipe is so easy. You only need 1 bowl to make it in. So head to your kitchen right now and come bake with me. You are sure to have these recipe ingredients in your pantry, which is always helpful. So grab a mixing bowl and let's make cake. First, add all the dry ingredients. In our mixing bowl, we start with sugar, then flour. You'll want to use all-purpose. Cocoa powder. I prefer Hershey's brand. It's always in my supermarket. Then baking powder and salt. Grab your magic whisk and mix until these dry ingredients are well combined. Next, we add our wet ingredients. Yes, to the very same bowl. Add our eggs, no need to beat them in advance. The milk, whole milk works best with this recipe. Oil, and some vanilla extract. That's it! It's time to mix. Simply move the mixing bowl to the blender and mix on medium speed for about 2 minutes. If you're new to my channel, hey new friend, welcome! Hit that subscribe button and bell right now because I share recipes like this and fun dessert decorating tips each week, and you don't want to miss one. Now, we add boiling water. When you do this, the batter might appear a little runny at first, but don't worry. Just keep stirring and it will come together. If you like your cake more on the fudgy side, add about half of the specified water in the recipe. With this batter, you can make both cupcakes and cakes. I'll start with cupcakes. I use an ice cream scoop, so I know each liner is filled with the same amount of batter. Simply scoop and release. It also helps you avoid making a mess, and no princess wants that. Bake these cupcakes for about 19 minutes at 350 degrees. This is also my tried and true cake recipe. Look how gorgeous this batter is, and it smells so amazing. Bake this cake at 350 degrees, but the time it takes will depend on your pan size. Look at the richness of the cake once it's finished baking. And these cupcakes look perfect. I amp up the cake flavor with chocolate ganache frosting. And wow, a perfect slice of chocolate cake. I need a bite myself. For cupcakes, I generally prefer my magic Swiss meringue buttercream. I'll leave a link to that recipe. But flavor the frosting and decorate any way you wish. Now you have a mouth-watering chocolate cake and cupcake recipe. And with only 1 bowl, it doesn't get any easier. I hope you enjoyed my chocolate cake recipe. Make sure to subscribe for your next adventure with the Princess Baker.